Good morning, students. I hope you all are safe and good. For grade 5, today we are going to see a new chapter in EVS, chapter 8. The name is A Treat for Mosquitoes. Today we are going to discuss the key words on this chapter. First word is malaria. Malaria, which means a disease caused by the bite of the disease-carrying female mosquito. A mosquito which carrying, that is mostly female mosquito which carry disease which bites will cause malaria. See here children, this picture, a mosquito which is biting with a disease. It causes malaria. And the second word is anemia. Anemia, a health condition caused due to lack of hemoglobin in blood. Health condition caused due to loss of hemoglobin in the blood. Then the third word is hemoglobin. What is hemoglobin? A red pigment present in the blood. The blood cells. The red pigment present in the blood is called hemoglobin. And the next word is microscope. Microscope. It is an instrument used to magnify a tiny objects. To magnify the tiny organism, microorganism, tiny objects. To magnify tiny objects. And the next word is glass slide. Glass slide. A piece of glass used to view blood samples under the microscope. Not only the blood samples, for all the other purpose also they will use the microscope to view the samples under the microscope. The glass slides are used to view the samples under the microscope. And the word is clinical pathology. Clinical pathology, a laboratory where tests are conducted. Tests are conducted. The blood test, like urine test, blood test, and tissue test, all the other of the parts of our body where the tests are done is called clinical pathology. Rigor. Rigor, which means sudden shivering and rise in temperature of our body. Suddenly, some shiver or rise in temperature is called rigor. And the eighth word is disease. That means a bodily disorder like sneezing, coughing, headache, fever. All these things will come under disease. Right children? For that, how we want to be safe? You want to wash your hands frequently before and after eating, after using toilets, and nowadays frequently we want to use soaps or other sanitizers to clean our hands and also to free from disease. And the ninth word is infection. Some change in our body due to the microorganism or any other animal bite. Due to some other thing, some changes occur in our body. This is called infection. And the 10th word is stagnant water. Stagnant water, which means the water does not flow. There will be no movement of water on that area. It will be stay as such. On that, all the microorganisms, the dust, and all the other things will be there in that water. The dirty water is called stagnant water. See the picture children. So these are all the 10 words of this chapter. Read it and have a clear idea children. Thank you. and have a great day.